Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use CVS Health digital thermometer. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your web browser, and then on the search bar simply type in manuals.plus, and here what you need to do is find the instruction to how to use the CVS Health digital thermometer. And once you do that, what you need to do is scroll down, and there you'll find the instruction for use. So what you need to do is read this carefully before you use the CVS Health digital thermometer. Install batteries into the thermometer and make sure their polarity is correct. Press and release the power button. The unit will beep once. Wait until it beeps again twice and Fahrenheit appears in the display. Place and hold the thermometer probe firmly to the skin at the temple and wait several seconds for the device to beep once more. And now read the temperature on the display. In order to use it, install two AA batteries, the power button to turn. Now here is the detailed instruction on how to use it. You install two AAA batteries, press the power button to turn on the unit. A beep sound follows. The last memory is displayed. You will hear two beeps with the measuring scale showing in the following figures. Put the thermometer on the temple and then it beeps one time to press a measure completion. If the temperature reading is over 99 degrees Fahrenheit, 8 consecutive beeps will be heard to indicate a fever alarm. Once the measurement is done and reading is recorded, then you will hear two beeps ready to take the next measurement. Turn off the unit by pressing the power button, or the unit will automatically turn off after 60 seconds of inactivity. Switching between centigrade and Fahrenheit, turn unit on while 188.8 is showing. Still press and hold the power button again for 2 seconds to change it. That's basically how you can use it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.